Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the smallest divisible that makes the given number a perfect cube. The given question is, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. The given first number is 81. Okay, so now we will see how to find the smallest number to be divided. So the first what we have to do is we have to do prime factorization and we have to find the prime factors of the given number. Then we want to check the smallest number that should be divided with the given number to make the given number a perfect cube. Now the given first number is 81. So here I have done prime factorization of 81. First I have divided by 3. I got 27. Which divided by 3 I got 9. Which divided by 3 I got 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now the prime factors of 81 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. So here 3 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 81 is not a perfect cube. So from this given factor itself, we can say that if 81 is divided by 3, then it will become 1, 2, 3. So the 3 appears 3 times. So it will become a perfect cube number. So now we can say 3 is the smallest number that should be divided by 81. So now I am dividing 81 by 3. So if I divide by 3, I will get 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 cube, which is nothing but 27. So it's a perfect cube. So thus 3 is the smallest natural number by which 81 should be divided, so that the quotient, that is 81 divided by 3, that's 3 cube, which is nothing but 27, is a perfect cube. The next number given is 128. Now let's do prime factorization of 128 first to find the smallest natural number to be divided. So now I am dividing 128 by 2, I will get 64, which divided by 2 I get 32, which divided by 2 I get 16, 16 divided by 2 I get 8, 8 divided by 2 I get 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now the prime factors of 128 are 2, so that is, let's count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2. So I have written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. Here 2 appears 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 3 times. But this 2 doesn't have a pair of another 2 times, right? So the number 128 is not a perfect cube. So to make it a perfect cube, we know that we should divide it by 2, so that this 3 will become pair and this 3 that will become a pair. So now I am dividing 128 by 2. So I will get 2 cube into 2 cube. So that is nothing but, since the powers are same, we can multiply the base. So 2 into 2 cube, that is 4 cube, which is nothing but 64. So now with 64 is a perfect cube number. Thus we can say 2 is the smallest natural number by which 128 should be divided, so that the quotient, that is 128 divided by 2, 4 cube, that is 64, is a perfect cube. The next given number is 135. Now let's find prime factorization for 135. First I am dividing it by 3, so I will get 45, which divided by 3 I will get 15, which divided by 3 I will get 5. So 5 cannot be divided by 3, so I am doing it by 5, so I will get 1. Now the prime factors of 135 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So here, for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. But here 3 appear 3 times, but the 5 appears only 1 time. So 135 is not a perfect cube number. So to make it a perfect cube number, we have to divide it by this 5. So if you divide by 5, you will get only 3 into 3 into 3. So that will be a perfect cube number because it appears 3 times. So now let's divide 135 by 5. So if you divide it by 5, you will get only 3 into 3 into 3, which is nothing but 3 cube. That is 27, which is a perfect cube. So thus we can say 5 is the smallest natural number by which 135 should be divided, so that the quotient 135 divided by 5, that's 3 cube. 27 is a perfect cube number. The next number given is 192. So now to find the smallest natural number to be divided so that 192 becomes a perfect cube, we have to do by prime factorization method. So we will do prime factorization for 192. So 192 divided by 2, I will get 96, which divided by 2 I get 48, 48 again I am dividing by 2, I got 24. 24 again dividing by 2, I got 12. 12 again divided by 2, I got 6. 6 divided by 2, I got 3. So 3 we cannot be divided by 2, so I am dividing it by 3, so I will get 1. Now the prime factors of 192 are, let's count number of 2's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. So I have written 2 into 2 into 2. Then again 2 into 2 into 2 and then into 3 because we have 1 3 here. So now we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. Here this factor 2 appears 3 times. The second 2 also appear 3 times. But this 3 appears only 1 time. So the given number 192 is not a perfect cube. So to make it a perfect cube, from this itself we can say, if you divide this 192 by 3, then this 2 appear 3 times, the second 2 will also appear 3 times. So that number will become a perfect cube number. So we are dividing 192 by 3. So if you divide it by 3, you will get 2 cube into 2 cube. So since the power is same, you can multiply the base. So 2 into 2 cube, that's 4 cube, which is nothing but 64. So 64 is a perfect cube number. So we can say 3 is the smallest natural number by which 192 should be divided, so that the quotient 192 divided by 3, that's nothing but 4 cube, that is 64 is a perfect cube. Next number is 704. Now let's find the prime factorization of 704 first. So first I am dividing it by 2, so I will get 352, which divided by 2 I will get 176, which divided by 2 I will get 88. 88 divided by 2 is 44. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Again 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 11, it's a prime number, so we can divide only by 11. So 11 divided by 11 is 1. Now let's write the prime factors of 704. Now we'll count the number of 2's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the factor 2 appears 6 times. So I have written 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and then 11 appears 1 time. So I have written into 11. So we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. So here this factor 2 appears 3 times, the second 2 also appear 3 times. But this factor 11 appears only 1 time. So we can say that the number 704 is not a perfect cube number. So to make it as a perfect cube number, we know that from here itself we can say, if you divide the number 704 by 11, then you can make the given number a perfect cube. The quotient will become a perfect cube. So if you divide it by 11, you will get this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so that is 2 cube into 2 cube. So since the power is same, we can multiply the base. So 2 into 2 cube, which is nothing but 4 cube, that is 64. So which is a perfect cube number. So thus we can say 11 is the smallest natural number by which 704 should be divided, so that the quotient, that is 704 divided by 11, it's nothing but 4 cube, that is 64 is a perfect cube. Hope you have understood how to find the smallest natural number by which the given number should be divided using prime factorization method to make the given number a perfect cube number. Thank you for watching the video.